Good morning, bachon.
Good morning, sir.
As you people already know, today we are collected here to talk about a topic related to India's foreign policy. We shall discuss whether India's foreign policy should depend on USA type of countries or Russia type of old allies or Israel type of new nations. As we always see, and as I always tell you, the group discussion is not only an activity to judge your communication skills. This is a wholesome activity. On the one hand, it will judge your communication skill. On the other hand, it will definitely judge your leadership skills. अगर हम SSB की बात करते हैं तो SSB के अंतर्गत आने वाले GTO टास्क के अंतर्गत GD कंडक्ट किया जाता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम SSB ऑल्सो GD इज़ वन एक्टिविटी जो किसी भी इंसान, किसी भी पर्सन, किसी भी स्टूडेंट के टोटल पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट को जज करने का एक बड़ा अच्छा एक्टिविटी है, एक अच्छा पैरामीटर. इस ग्रुप डिस्कशन में सबसे पहले जब नरेशन राउंड में आप लोग होंगे, हर कैंडिडेट इस अपने टॉपिक पर अपनी ओपिनियन को 50 to 60 सेकेंड्स में ब्रीफ करेगा. उस 50 to 60 सेकेंड्स के नरेशन में candidate will be judged basically on 4 parameters. One will be fluency, second will be grammar. Grammar will include your grammatical mistakes also. Third will be your content, कि जो आप बोल रहे हैं उसमें कैसा डायरेक्शन है, किस टाइप की चीज़ें आप बोल रहे हैं. Fourth will be your confidence, body language वगैरह during your speaking. इन सब चीज़ों के नरेशन के कंप्लीट होने के बाद जब लास्ट वाला कैंडिडेट बोलेगा तब क्रॉस आर्ग्यूमेंट से शुरू होंगे. तब एक और पैरामीटर जुड़ जाएगा आपकी कम्युनिकेशन को जज करने में, और वो होगा आपकी आर्ग्यूमेंटेबिलिटी, कि आप तर्क, कुतर्क, वितर्क में कितना डिफरेंस कर पा रहे हैं, इन चीज़ों को कितने अच्छे से समझ और प्रेजेंट कर पा रहे हैं. तो शुड वी स्टार्ट? फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट प्लीज.
Hello gentlemen, I believe that Israel and the other small countries are really a game changer in the world, because if we see India's foreign policy maintain a good relationship with all the countries, but we depend on Israel because India want to become a self-reliable and become an exporter of the defense equipment in the world. So Israel and Russia are the two countries who are helping India to become a defense exporter and help in the joint ventures. And the Israeli companies are also collaborating with the Indian companies under the Make in India initiative. The Israelis companies are helping India in space sector, intelligence sector, water sector, and farming and pharmaceuticals also. Thank you.
Very warm welcome to all of you. My point of view, according to our topic, is that we should depend not entirely on all the countries as that of Russia and Israel and USA, because we are new evolving power. We are doing well in our spheres with strategies, good strategies with the foreign policies, with others. My opinion in this context is that we should work with all them without interference in their internal problems, external matters, what they said to other countries, what are the conflict between them. We should focus on our involvement first to upliftment of that. The really people says that we should focus on the new changing evolutions of the USA's relationship. I believe that it is not a requirement of need of our, that is we should focus on USA, because in USA if you see there is many issues where they get not where he did not get benefit, he would uplift, he would draw back that organization or other atmospheres of organization. For example, if you take initiative of that, you should take the Indian Pacific Economic Framework, which was made by the USA in a Quad submission.
Good morning, gentlemen. I believe that making good relationship with Russia is better for India. India relationship with Russia helped India in many ways to become more self-reliant. During the Cold War, India was dependent on Russia. In the War of 1971, Indo-Pak War, where Russia supported India, and while US and China supported Pakistan. Russia also holds a permanent seat on the US Security Council, so Russia become a big supporter for India, and Russia also stated that Russia also stated that it will cooperation with India to its Make in India initiative. Thank you.
Greeting to everyone, respected sir and ma'am. My stand is with our neighborhood countries like Russia, because I firmly believe that a bad neighbor is a calamity and good one is a great advantage. It is upon us how we can utilize them. With Russia we have deep rooted ties from the several decades, so it can be helpful, and our priority should be our Russia, and it can be helpful in geopolitics scenario.
So good morning, gentlemen. As our GG topic is India's foreign policy. So now first of all, let us talk about the India's foreign policy, and in my opinion I would like to say that to enhance the India's foreign policy we should make a good relationship with the countries like Russia, because not in the current time Russia has also provided a good support in the fields of war as well as in the fields of defense ministry, but also there is a provide good benefit to the trading factor in India also in the present scenario as well as in the past scenario. So to enhance the foreign policy of India, we should make a good relationship with Russia like countries, and we should not a good relationship with USA, because USA always plays a diplomatic relationship between the countries. So in according to my opinion, Russia is the best option to enhance our foreign policies.
Good morning, everyone. So, in my opinion, that we should not depend on one country like Russia or America, because both our countries is important for India. But Russia also a good friend in the past time when 1971 Indo-Pak War, the Russia support India and US against with India and stand with the Pakistan. But it's when it's come to China, then Russia not support India and US stand with India, because Russia has also a good relationship between China. So, thank you.
So, good morning, gentlemen. In my opinion, I think that we should move to our foreign policy must be based on the small countries, because I think that the small countries like Israel and Japan can help us a lot, and they are the real game changers. Talking about Russia and USA, so Russia is also a very good friend of us, and we have to make a good friendship with them also, and also have the balance between the other countries also. But at this point of time, we can see that there are many crises like Ukraine-Russia war is going on, so there are many sanctions over Russia, and if we do something with that, so it will also hampers our economy. So we need to shift to Israel, and also as India and China do not have good relations, and at the same time Russia have good relationship with India as well as with China. So if somehow we require its help, so maybe it may not help us. So in my opinion, we need to shift to the smaller countries like Israel and Japan, as they are very technological advanced, and it will hamper us in economy, trade and other aspects also. Thank you.
So gentlemen, if you talk about the India's foreign policy, then if we say that if we improve the relation with the India and Russia, so the small countries will we also improve the relation with other countries. If we talk about that, before the 1990 and the 2000, in India as well as the Russia supported India more time, and he gives the S-400 missile to India. But USA sanctioned on the Russia did not give the S-400 missile to the India. But the Russian Prime Minister also said that the S-500 missiles first unit will be given to the India. So if we talk about that, if we improve the relation with the big countries like Russia, then we also improve our relation with the small countries. Then if we improve the group RCI, Russia, China, India, nowadays the group is decreasing. We can say that abolish day by day. If we improve the relation with these countries, then we improve the relation with the small countries. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. From my perspective, I saw that in the current situation, India is much dependent on Russia, because Russia like countries are very supportive to India, and also India is very supportive to Russia, and both of them are good friends. And also Russia is providing us the various defense equipments, like recently the BrahMos missile is also been made in cooperation with the Russia. So Russia will be really a game changer, and also it will help to develop our country in the various sectors. Thank you.
So good morning, gentlemen. In my point of view, I think we should make the good relationship with each and every country, but we should focus more to the Russia, because you all know that in 1971, Russia has sent his nuclear submarine to tackle the American soldier. And the second thing is that we can't show the faith to the America, because now the scenario is that Ukraine war is going on, but in Ukraine war, America is directly supporting the Ukraine. So we can't give faith to the America. So we should depend on the Russia. You can say Russia has given 5-6 times vetoes in the UN. When we have done successfully our nuclear weapon, we has made our nuclear weapon successfully. That time also Russia has done veto in the UN. So we should make good relationship with Russia. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. Today's my lecture topic is foreign policy, India's foreign policy. So we should not, according to my opinion, we should not depend only on the country, because you can say that the rupees value is very down in this time. 78.21 rupees, also plus the dollar is equal to 1 rupees. So we should not only depend on only one country. You can say that in the surgency of Pakistan, we cannot be abolish with the help of only one country. And also you can say the gesture of the USA in the 1971 war, during the liberation of the Bangladesh under the 1965 wars, Pakistan. USA also support Pakistan, and also deployed his military equipment and artillery on the border of the Pak border in the favor of the Pakistan. And also the USA also imposed the many sections on the testing of the nuclear weapons to India, and it has also repeated this type of gesture in the 1998 and the testing of the weapons. When we talk about the Russia's gesture, Russia's and India relation is very important, and also it is not a new relation. It is also diplomatic relation without many decades, you can say. So we should not depend only one countries in our economic stage, and we should also support the many other countries. As you can say, in our stage we cannot survive without oil and gases, and we import every year at 60% of oil and gases from the Gulf countries also. So Yuddhabhyas, you can say Yuddhabhyas will be going on in the Jammu and Kashmir region with the help with the joint army exercise with the Russia, with the India and America's army. It will also support to encounter the China insurgency on the LSC border. So according to my opinion, we should always make both relationship and good relationship with each and every countries. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. In my opinion, in development of India, Israel, like technology-based and emerging country, can play a crucial role, because there is 300 companies working in the India from Japan, and its branches around 1400, and Israelis company also working in many company working in India. Japan is building a fastest trade to join the Mumbai and Ahmedabad, and Israel water technology can play a crucial role, because the coming year will be the water crisis, So desalination of seawater will be helpful for India. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. As we all know that India's foreign policy with other countries is excellent, but I think Russia plays a vital role in India's foreign policy. For example, in 1970 India-Pakistan war, Russia supported India while America and China both supported Pakistan. Russia gave military support on that time, and Russia still commands 58% of total armed imports in India. Russia holds a permanent seat in United Nations Security Council, and Russia became a good supporter of India's candidature for a seat in United Nations Security Council. Thank you.
So good morning, gentlemen. I think India foreign policy totally depend upon. I think we believe on the Russia because after the abolishment of Second World War, the whole world divided into two parts. First is the USSR and second is US. And there is a huge conflict between these two countries. And at that time, Russia take help from the India, and India helps that time, and that leads a good friendship between India and Russia. In 1962, Russia helps India, and in 1965, the first war between India and Pakistan, Russia also helps India. And in 1971, Russia also supports India, and by this India divided Pakistan into two parts. That is, first part is Pakistan and second is Bangladesh. When we are going to talk about the geopolitical relation, India and Russia both are the members of the many organizations like UN, BRICS, G20, and other union. So and there is a huge trade between them, and India, and as you know, India is the hub of diamond cutting, and Russia is the 24th. Russia has a 25% reserve of diamond. So I think Russia plays a huge role to develop India foreign policy. Thank you.
So good morning, friends. We know all that our diplomacy depend on our economy. So if we want to increase our economy, so we should make a good relationship to the another country. And we know all that our relation with the Russia country is very good in the old time. When 1961 war against the Pakistan, Russia support the India by the naval military, and nowadays Russia supporting the India, giving the some missile defense system like BrahMos missile gave by the Russia. So and I talked about that in the trade system, and the many Russian countries has established in the India. So and the BRICS, our country also members in the BRICS, and Russia also members in the BRICS. So we should make good relationship with the Russia and USA. We know all that our relationship with the USA is good, but when about jab baat aati hai trade in the trade system, when the America always denied to the trade with the India. So we should depend on the Russia. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I appreciate you, but you have told me we should make a good relationship with Africa.
You know, we got so faith on that because friends said that the lot of friends said that if we improve the relation with the Russia, then we will improve the other countries' relation. If we talk about that, the Russia is supported India.
Gentlemen, I agree with you, but the relationship between India and Russia is not a new relation. It is a
old
relation.
We can say that in the P5 countries, Brazil, we can say that the P5 countries are in the China.
Gentlemen, I agree with you, but there is a single thing by which India and Russia relationship will be better in the future time, because Russia supported India in every aspect of the world.
We are living in the where we believe that the powerful states have the peculiar power to interrupt the international law and policy in their favor. So we need a big hand to enhance our democratic view. In my terms, the true democratic peoples are there who need many languages, include the double talk. So we need help. So we need a very big hand for enhancing our international treaties. True diplomacy means how we influence others, how we change the behavior of other countries, how we can use them utilize our awareness. We can't use the proper way to decide our nations. And I firmly believe that
Russia supported India. There are
Hold on. If you are fish marketing like this, you are only speaking, not ready to listen to, then how things will improve? Try to cooperate each other in such a manner that if someone is speaking, then others are listening. Restart.
So then according to you have to say all of them
Gentlemen, you want to say something? I think we should speak one by one. Let him opportunity. Japan, because their technology is very important and very emerging. So, I appreciate
I agree your point that he has said that Japan is a good technology, but Russia is also a good technology. And it is an emerging first nation.
Because in 1998 when India did nuclear test, the whole world against India.
I mean, talking about the period conflict, Russia has been looking India veto power in UN, and when we're talking about the Joe Biden also released in India to get veto power in the
UN exporter to the India. As we see in the current scenario that up to now Russia is the third largest exporter of crude oil to the India, but in the current 2 years what we see that Russia is the second exporter of crude oil to the India.
I want to add some point here. Russia also
diplomacy is more of negotiations, alliance and agreements. It is the art of managing the relations and behavior to the other nations. So we cannot totally rely on one nation, but at this support India. Understood?
I think we can also maintain relations.
Gentlemen, if we talk about
Russia also holds a
and Russia also supported India to make a nuclear weapons tested in the 1960s.
Russia can only support in the defense system
So gentlemen, I think this system has signed an agreement with the Vietnam. I appreciate
when India get its integration of USSR, the corruption had taken place on the Russian government, and the military quality of by using each other's help and technology, because they have invested a lot in research and development and also for the education.
The question is, what is the need
When India got independence, when India got the independence in the 1947, then all countries opposed the India. But
Our topic India's foreign policy.
yes, so
Not the independence.
But I want to say that because they also say that Israel also
It's not a divert from my topic. So we say
Improve the relation with other countries. Then if we improve the relation with the big countries like the Russia, China as well as the USA, then the small countries
बस आप लोगों ने काफ़ी अच्छा एफर्ट किया। सबसे पहले आप भाई साहब, आप भी और आप भी, आपने जब प्रेजेंटेशन दी थी अपनी, नरेशन का दौर जब था, तब तो आपने काफ़ी अच्छा बोला। इट फेल्ट एज इफ़ यू विल स्पीक वेरी गुड। लेकिन अब तो यहाँ आपने क्या मतलब सोच लिया कि बाकी सब लोग सत्यनारायण की कथा कह रहे हैं।
सर स्पीक बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन जो टॉपिक है उस पे से सब भटक जा रहे हैं, इधर उधर जा रहे हैं।
तो उनको टॉपिक पर लेकर कौन आएगा?
लेकिन ये है कि सब अपने आप में ही मस्त है।
अरे अपने आप में ही मस्त है तो भाई लीडर का ये मतलब थोड़ा ना होता है कि समाज को उसके हाल पे छोड़ दो। और आपने तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं बोला। भाई मैंने कहा था GD इज लाइक अ गेम ऑफ फुटबॉल। दूसरा प्लेयर आपके पास बॉल क्यों आने देगा? बॉल आपके पास बस दो ही वजहों से आएगी, या तो बाई चांस या तो आपकी स्पीड की बदौलत। आप अगर अपनी स्पीड की बदौलत, अपनी मेहनत की बदौलत बॉल अपने पास ले लिए, दैट इज़ योर क्वालिटी। अदरवाइज यू विल हैव टू वेट फॉर द लक। और लक के आधार पर आप चलते रहेंगे तो फिर हर गेम आपको खेलने के लिए थोड़ा ना मिलेगा। दोनों के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम रही। तीसरा कैंडिडेट, उसके साथ भी यही प्रॉब्लम। बहुत कम बोले, इन दोनों से थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोले, लेकिन उससे थोड़ा कम बोले। चौथे नंबर पर दुर्गेश नाम है ना आपका? अभिषेक इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट। सबसे पहली प्रेजेंटेशन याद है? लिप्स सूख रहे थे, लेग्स वाइब्रेट कर रही थी, तुमको रीटेक करना पड़ गया था, लेकिन दिस टाइम यू हैव इम्प्रूव्ड वेरी मच। कीप डूइंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग। जो आप कर रहे हैं बस उसी की इंटेंसिटी और अमाउंट को बढ़ाइए, काफ़ी कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा। 5वें नंबर पर आप काफ़ी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस है ना, इस चीज़ को थोड़ा सा और बेटर करने की ज़रूरत है। 6th नंबर पे लड़कियों के साथ एक प्लस पॉइंट होता है कि उनकी आवाज़ मतलब उनकी पिच थोड़ी शार्प होती है। उसकी वजह से जब वो चिल्ला कर बोलती हैं तो पूरे ग्रुप पे भारी पड़ जाती हैं। तुम्हारे साथ ये पॉइंट थोड़ा कम है। जब तुम बोल भी रहे हो तो बाकी लोग तुम्हारा लोड कम ले रहे हैं। कुछ ऐसा बोलो कि बच्चे लोग ज़्यादा लोड लें।
कंटेंट इज गुड,
कंटेंट वॉज गुड, नो डाउट। यही प्रॉब्लम आपके साथ इनसे भी ज़्यादा है। ये जब बोलती है तो ग्रुप फिर भी थोड़ा लोड लेता है, लेकिन आपकी बात का तो लोड और कम लेता है। देखो ग्रुप डिस्कशन में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू थिंक गुड, देन वी हैव टू टेल पीपल दैट वी हैव गुड थॉट्स। केवल अच्छे विचार होने से ही नहीं हो जाता ना, पब्लिक को बताना पड़ता है कि भाई हमारे विचार सच में अच्छे हैं, और पब्लिक को वो बात समझानी पड़ती है। तो मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड। उसके बाद 7th नंबर पे अच्छा एफर्ट है, लेकिन थोड़ा इंटेंसिटी और बढ़ाए जाने की ज़रूरत है। लीडरशिप में थोड़ी सी एग्रेशन भी होती है, वर्क ऑन दैट। 8वें नंबर पे नहीं, वो 8th ही होगा ना, ये 7th थी, वो 8th, वो 9th। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, हाँ वो 9th है। तो 9th नंबर पे 9th नथिंग नोटिस्ड वेरी मच। आपने काफ़ी कम बोला।
He was agreeing to what you were saying. 8 number was saying.
अच्छा,
He was very much on part of 8 number. अपना कंटेंट
दूसरे के एक्सेप्ट करो, लेकिन पहले अपने अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट्स दो, ठीक है? उसके बाद नेक्स्ट और थोड़ा ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालने की ज़रूरत है आप दोनों को ही, आपको भी, है ना? अभी लोग आपकी बात थोड़ा कम सुन रहे हैं। अब लोग कम सुन रहे हैं, इसमें गलती थोड़ा लोगों की भी होती है, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली अपनी बात को सामने रखना ही पड़ता है। एक तरीके से कोशिश करो, नहीं काम चल रहा, दूसरे तरीके से, तीसरे तरीके से, कुल मिला के 12 से 15 मिनट के टाइम में आपको अपनी लीडरशिप दिखानी होती है। काफ़ी कम बोला, कैसे ऐसे काम चलेगा? नेक्स्ट कंटेंट कम है। नेक्स्ट, ओनली कैंडिडेट जिसने ये भी थोड़ा सा ग्रुप को कहा कि भाई बाकी लोगों की भी बात सुन लो। लीडरशिप का एक इम्पोर्टेंट पैरामीटर, ओनली ही शोड। अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं है सभी लोग यही कहते हैं भैया दूसरों की सुन लें और अपनी कोई सुनाए ही ना। हर चीज़ में एक बहुत ही एप्रोप्रिएट रेशो का बैलेंस चाहिए होता है ना। सक्सेस इज़ अ गेम ऑफ बैलेंस ऑफ सो मैनी थिंग्स। बहुत सारी चीज़ें अगर बैलेंस में होंगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली काम और परफॉर्मेंस बेटर हो जाएगा। आपकी इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस भी अच्छी थी, एज वेल एज आपने थोड़ा सा बाकियों को भी मोटिवेट करने का, थोड़ा ही सही बट एफर्ट किया। आपका भी अच्छा था, लेकिन उसी एफर्ट को थोड़ा और बढ़ाए जाने की ज़रूरत है। एटलीस्ट आपके पास डेटा अच्छे थे, आपके पास एग्जाम्पल अच्छे थे, हाँ, और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें आपने बोली जो बाकी बच्चों ने नहीं बोली। तो अभी आज ये ग्रुप पिछली बार के प्रेजेंटेशन के राउंड से काफ़ी बेटर फील हुआ। आप लोगों ने, मैम ने बड़ी अच्छी मेहनत करी है, तब जाकर ये ग्रुप इस लेवल पर आया होगा। बस मैम जो पीछे वाले बच्चे हैं वो भी इनको रिप्लेस कर पाएँ, कुछ ऐसा हो कि ये लोग भी श्रोता बने और वो लोग भी वक्ता बने। इट वॉज वेरी गुड। आप लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं इसी की इंटेंसिटी को, अमाउंट को थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाइए। आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। सेशन इज़ ओवर।